Recapping Memorial Day Monday, 62 degrees was the high temperature. Our low was 47, so very compacted together, and that's because of the fact that clouds began to march in very late in the afternoon, so it kept us a bit below average for the afternoon high by 5 degrees, but the low temperature was kept up a little bit at 47 degrees. Nowhere near the record of 93 back in 2006, and only 20 off from the record low of 27 back in 1965. Sunset occurring at 9:34 p.m. Temperatures today, though, slightly more cool so because of the fact that we continue to see more of these clouds sticking around, and this is all because of a low pressure that's situated in parts of southern Canada, and it's been just pretty much hovering the area for about a good 24 hours. The good news, though, it's going to begin to quickly push its way towards the northeast, deeper into Canada, and we're going to see more sunshine coming in for the next couple of days, allowing for our temperatures to begin to warm up. But for today, though, 56 in Marquette, 57 in Munising, a little bit warmer, but not by much, though. Only 61 in Iron Mountain, 60 in Escanaba, and cool temperatures all around into those 50s, 53 in Houghton, where their winds have been howling through a good portion of the day. Sustained winds at 24 miles per hour. So that 53 is feeling more like 43, and don't even be surprised if some of those winds are even feeling it more like into the upper 30s. So really make sure to bundle up when you're seeing these very strong winds, making it feel a little bit more like that wintry feel. 16 in Ironwood, a little bit more relaxed, though, further towards the east at 12 out of the southwest in Escanaba, 10 in Munising, 9 in Marquette. The good news, though, like I said just a moment ago, sunshine will begin to return as high pressure begins to roll its way through the entire Midwest, and that's going to allow for our temperatures to begin to soar, especially on Thursday. The good weather will continue at least through Friday and Saturday, but the temperatures, unfortunately, they're not going to stick around for that long. We're going to see, once again, a descent in those readings as we approach the first half of the weekend. Now, the big picture through the entire Midwest, at least for the last day or so, has been the fact of that low pressure, just bringing a good amount of cloudiness all the way from Minnesota through parts of the UP. The good news, this will gradually make its way towards the northeast, but in the meantime, we've been dealing with a couple of these isolated and scattered showers, just producing very light accumulations when it comes to rainfall, but we'll take any rain that we can get. Now, for tomorrow, the big picture is warm air still being focused in parts of the Rockies. This warm air over here will gradually make its way towards us on Thursday, but in the meantime, we got to deal with this cool air, especially since the fact that we're going to be on the eastern portion of the high. We're still going to be dealing with those westerly and northwesterly winds. As this high pressure slides towards the east, those warmer temperatures will gradually make its way here with southerly flow. But the weather, like I said before, just all about the sunglasses. Make sure to have the sunscreen as well if you are going to be outside, because we're going to see good amount of sun at least through tomorrow afternoon all the way through Saturday. Just a little bit of cloudiness tomorrow, and still cannot rule out a stray shower in the early morning hours as we have a little bit leftover moisture from that low pressure. But tonight, 44 degrees, mostly cloudy, winds out of the southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For Wednesday, we're just going to have decreasing clouds, but there will be quite a breeze, some gusts up to 20 to 25 miles per hour. Temperatures are going to be rising into those low 60s, 64 in Ontonagon, 60 in Houghton, a little bit warmer towards the south at 66 in Iron Mountain, but the further east you go, will fall into those 50s, 54 in Munising. So with that breeze, it's going to make those temperatures feel about a good 10 degrees cooler, despite the fact that it's going to get better and better throughout the day. And here that day planner explains it all. Partly sunny skies in the morning. By the evening, we'll have mostly clear skies, so the clouds continue to say bye-bye throughout the entire day. Sunrise at 6:01 a.m. And the good times are at least here to stay all the way through Saturday before we increase those rain chances on Sunday and Monday. But those temperatures, they really do not want to stick around on the warmer side, only on Thursday only as we approach 70 degrees.